Hello everyone. In this video today, I am sharing with you on how to make money with a Tools YouTube channel. How to make money with a Tools YouTube channel. YouTube has become one of the most powerful platforms for sharing knowledge and earning income. If you are passionate about tools, whether software tools, DIY, hardware, or productivity apps, starting a YouTube channel focused on tools can be both rewarding and profitable. In this video, I explore proven strategies to monetize a tools YouTube channel and turn your content into a steady source of income. Why a tools YouTube channel? Tools are evergreen content. People constantly search for reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and tips on how to use tools better. Whether you focus on power tools, tech software, or online utilities, a tools channel taps into a large and engaged audience eager for practical help. Number one way to make money through a tools website is to join the YouTube Partner Program and earn from ads. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility criteria, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. How does this work? YouTube places ads on your videos and you earn revenue based on views and ad clicks. Create high-quality, engaging videos around popular tool-related topics such as unboxings, how-to tutorials, and tool reviews. Longer videos, 8 minutes plus. Allow mid-roll ads, which can increase your revenue. Number two way to make money from a tools website or a tools YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing with tool brands and online retailers. Affiliate marketing is a major income source for tools YouTubers. How do you do it? You include affiliate links in your video descriptions for the tools you review or demonstrate. Platforms that you can join include Amazon Associates, Home Depot, or specialized software affiliate programs. So you can check other places where you can get affiliate links from that relate with tools, and you can earn a commission when people click to buy. Always disclose affiliate links to maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Number three is sponsored videos and brand deals. As your channel grows, companies may approach you for sponsorships, sponsored content. Get paid to feature or review tools, demonstrating how they work. Then brand deals are also possible. You partner with brands for exclusive promotions or campaigns. Then in terms of negotiation, you need to be professional and clear about your audience size and engagement metrics to get the best deals. So number four way to make money with a tools YouTube channel is to sell your own digital products or services. Use your expertise to create and sell. You can create and sell ebooks or guides. Write detailed manuals on how to use specific tools or complete projects. Online courses teach viewers in-depth skills like woodworking, software tutorials, or tool maintenance. Consulting services offer personalized advice for selecting or using tools. Promote these products in your videos and description links. Number five is crowdfunding and membership platforms. Encourage your loyal viewers to support you through YouTube memberships. Offer perks like exclusive videos, badges, or live chats for monthly supporters. Then you can also use Patreon or Ko-fi, platforms where fans can contribute monthly or one-time donations. The benefits here is that it provides a steady income and fosters community engagement. Number 6 way to make money from a tools YouTube channel is through merchandising. Create branded merchandise related to your channel and niche. Examples: t-shirts, caps, toolkits, or accessories, featuring your logo or catchy slogans. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop that integrates with YouTube for easy setup. Promote your merch in your videos and channel banner. Number 7 is to optimize for growth and monetization. To maximize earnings, use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in search. Then be consistent. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Then respond to comments. Ask for likes and subscriptions to grow your channel. Just like on this channel now, I am asking you to like this video, subscribe to this channel now, and if you have comment and question, if you don't even have any comments and questions, just drop it in the comment section that I like this video. So all these are going to make your channel to grow. Then you need to invest in good video and audio equipment for professional looking videos. In summary, making money with a tools YouTube channel is very achievable with the right approach. Focus on creating valuable, honest, and engaging content that helps your audience solve problems or make informed decisions about tools. Combining multiple revenue streams, ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, digital products, and memberships can create a sustainable and growing income. Start building your channel today and turn your passion for tools into profit. So I want to take action on this video. This is Dr. Oluben Gadget on YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back for more content like this right on this channel. On this channel, I teach you two things, basically two broad things: how to make money online and how to make money offline. So this tools website is a way, this tools YouTube channel is a way for you to make money online. I have also done another video on how to make money using tools website. So I want you to explore these two and see the best one that is fit for you, and then start using them in earnest. I'm going to come your way in the next one. Before then, again, subscribe, like, share. If you have comment, even if you don't have comment, I want to give you a comment that you're going to make now. So in the comment section, just go there and tell me where you are watching this video from. I'm going to see you in the other one, in the next one. But before then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next.